Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Terminal. That gives you direct control. Navigate to the folder containing your data using CD and confirm the file names with ls so you avoid typos. Choose a format now. Use zip for cross-platform sharing or tar.gz for better compression on Linux. Once decided, prepare any exclusions or sensitive files to omit. This early choice affects compression speed and final size, so take a moment to pick the right option before you run commands. Now you execute the command. Type zip r archive, zip folder / to create a recursive zip or tar.czvf archive. tar.gz folder / for a gzip tarball. The flags mean create, compress, verbose, and file. Use -9 for maximum compression if you need smallest size, but note it takes longer. Monitor output for errors. If you see permission denied, prepend sudo only when necessary. Once started, compression streams files into the archive, so larger sets will take more time and CPU. After compression, verify contents and integrity immediately. Run unzip l or tar.tzvf to list files, and unzip t or tar.tzf to test the archive. This confirms nothing corrupted. If extraction fails, check disk space with DFH and file permissions with LSL, because insufficient space or denied reads cause silent problems. If permissions block you, rerun the command with sudo only for reading system-owned files. Finally, keep a checksum copy like SHA-256, sum to value.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.